Ọmọ Yorùbá Odùduwà, we are here. A wà níbí yìí láti jẹ́ kí President Muhammadu Buhari mọ̀ pé a wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. A fẹ́ jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé gbogbo nǹkan ló ṣe níṣẹ́ dáadáa, a wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. A fẹ́ kí Nàìjíríà pínyà. Àwọn ọmọ Odùduwà tó tún sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ divide Nàìjíríà. A fẹ́ wọn wà láti jẹ́ kí Nàìjíríà ó dáa. Ìbàjẹ́ Nàìjíríà ni wọ́n wá. Àwọn adé ìfọsọ́ fún Muhammadu Buhari pé àwọn wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Ìjókòó Nàìjíríà làwọn wá. Nàìjíríà dé wà dáadáa. Nigeria's unity remains sacrosanct and not negotiable. My brothers and sisters, the occasion of Nigeria's 60th independence anniversary celebration is indeed worthy of rolling out the drums. That we have remained united as one Nigeria for the past 60 years is an indication that the labors of our heroes' path are not in vain, despite the evil posts, despite the evil plots hatched by those that have elected to constitute themselves as clogs in the wheel of our progress as a country. We have weathered the storm and we have come out unscathed. We have experienced one of the most deadly insurrections in the world, yet we remain unshaken. What the enemies of Nigeria do not know is the fact that our strength lies in our diversity. On this auspicious occasion, the message of the coalition of Odudua descendants in the Federal Capital Territory and the northern states in Nigeria is unequivocal, and it is one Nigeria for all regardless of our ethnic or religious affiliations. This message of ours is not a function of time and chance, but the product of our collective resolve to see the strength and unity of Nigeria in all aspects of our daily lives. And that today we are re-echoing the same message to send a strong signal to those that are propagating ethnic sentiments with the overriding objective to see to the disintegration of Nigeria. As members of the coalition of Odudua descendants in the FCT and northern states, we stand in solidarity with the government in our various efforts at translating the hopes and aspirations of all Nigerians into tangible reality. As such, the message is strong and carries the message, carriers of the message are resolute in the endeavor to see that Nigeria remains united as one strong entity as we journey towards the ultimate goals of the Nigeria of our dreams and the nation bound in freedom, peace, and unity. Yes. My dear brothers and sisters, this 1 million rally is a child of necessity, because we shall not sit and watch the enemies of Nigeria have their way, hiding over whatever nomenclature that they would lead to chaos and disunity. As we can all see with our numbers, the commitment to one Nigeria is infectious. It is also a clarion call to all compatriots: when Nigeria calls, we must obey. Yes. We have elected to serve our father's land with love and strength and faith, to build a nation where peace and justice shall remain supreme. This much must be understood from all the nooks and crannies of Nigeria, that indeed the coinage of Odudua Republic as well as its agitation does not hold the pride of peace of place in the lives of all descendants of Odudua, because we are not known to be hostile or known to be engaged in acts that are inimical to the interest of one Nigeria. North or west, we do not know. South or east, we also do not know. But one Nigeria we know, and where our loyalty lies. And this 1 million rally march is a manifestation of that firm belief. Yes. And unalloyed commitment to peace and prosperity in Nigeria. Yes. We are also using this 1 million rally march to send a strong message to the rest of the country that the sons and daughters of Odudua are in full support of Nigeria as an individual entity. Yes. Anyone against this declaration is an enemy to the country. Yes. We also wish to state and in unequivocal terms that all those planning to break up Nigeria are not sons and daughters of Odudua, because all sons and daughters of Odudua are aware of the invaluable roles played by the great sons of Odudua towards the independence of Nigeria in 1960. As such, we shall never be involved in such misadventure. It will therefore be against all that Oduduwa represents if we go against the unity of Nigeria. These and many more reasons are our source of inspiration and firm belief in one Nigeria. And it should therefore be on notice that no true son of and daughter of Oduduwa would identify with act of action or action that will lead to the breakup of Nigeria. Yes. We are stakeholders in one Nigeria, yes. And as such, we shall not allow any individual or group to constitute themselves as clogs in the ways of progress of Nigeria. Those canvassing for the Oduduwa Republic are not one of us, yes. And shall never be, because their agitations are born out of absolute mischief, intending to truncate our nascent democracy, which in our considered opinion is dead on arrival, as their nefarious motive have been exposed. We are descendants of Oduduwa in the Federal Capital Territory, and all the northern states of Nigeria embarking on the 1 million rally march, not just in commemoration of the 60th anniversary celebration of Nigeria, but also to reassure our brothers and sisters from other parts of the country that we stand in solidarity with them in our quest for a united and prosperous Nigeria. Yes. We hope that our message gets to the enemies of Yoruba sons and daughters that again, this plot has failed and they should desist from eating the polity unnecessarily. Nigeria is home to all, and under no circumstances should any individual or group, no matter how highly placed, should take us for granted. Yes. Ó jẹ́ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà kan tí a mọ̀, àti pé ó jẹ́ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà kan tí a nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you all. God bless you.